Almost there. It's finally in my hair. Hi. So hari ni I akan buat unboxing video of a parcel that I have been waiting for so long, and akhirnya semalam dah sampai. Okay, jom kita buka sama-sama. Careful, Ismail, careful. Oh my god! Okay, mana start? Oh, mana start? Bagus pula yang buka ni. Can I just use my knife? Okay, open. Okay. Finally, after all that struggle. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I really hope nothing is dent or kemek or rosak in this box. I don't know why, I'm just nervous. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Group order manager give me this freebies, maybe you call it. And I see J-Hope's pictures. So cute. It's finally here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! It's finally in my hand! I need my knife. No kidding, okay? There's a lot of layers of bubble wraps. I'm pretty sure my album is safe and sound. It's really heavy. Like, I think this is the heaviest album compared to any other album they have. Oh my god. Oh, it's so pretty. Lawanya. Okay, nak kena buka another layer of plastic again. No giveaway.
Every day, 답답해 미치겠어. Feel like it's day one. 누가 주식해 좀 들려줘. 오래돼 뺏겼어. 아직 난 침대서.
So beautiful. Buka lagi? Tak buka lagi? Dah lama. Saya nak buka. Sini. Oh, I love the smell. So the first thing is, ooh, this is thick. This is so thick. Wih, tebal gila. It's like a novel or something. Tebal gila. Oh, I love the smell. This is the photo book. Should I open one by one, or should I go through everything and then open one by one? Okay, apa je lah. Making book. The making. And then some photo cards. This time, they actually gave us all members. Like, what the heck? Wait, tengok! I have all members and even group members. There's even a Polaroid. Should I be like this? Oh my god, life goes on. Like an arrow in the blue sky. Na, 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 na. Postcards! No. Is this postcards? No. Apa ni? Oh my god! These are like a few shots from their concept photos, I think. Lawa lah. Lawa je CD dia. Weh, lawa gila. Weh, oh my god, look at that. Weh, the CD case is so... Wow, like look at that. I thought it's a frame, but it's a CD case. Oh, gila. One thing I love about this case is that it's matte black. Like it's matte. Can you tell? Lawa though. Yeah. It's big and life goes on, and when you open it, you see the CD there. Lawa though. Serious. The texture feels so expensive. Oh, kudos. I think this is... Macam nak keluarkan. Oh, lyric poster. This is a lyric poster. Aww. So you can see this 7 of them at the top, and these are like the thank you notes from the members. They usually have these kind of notes at the end of each album. And if only I could read Korean, geramnya tak faham langsung. Mesti sangat meaningful dong the message. Di belakang ni adalah notes of the lyrics. Not really notes, I think the lyrics lah of the songs written by hand. Oh, cantik. So nice. Everything is handwritten. Macam, oh, very meaningful, man. They even like doodle, you know, pictures, langsir lah, tong sampah, clock here. Last but not least, poster. Sekejap. The poster. I suka konsep ni. It just vibes differently than their other albums. Macam I think I like it better if the poster is a picture of them in front of campfire. In front of the, you know, fire tu yang dorang main guitar, laughing around each other. I think that will be more beautiful kot, and you know, macam lagi macam aww. Tapi this one okay lah. The paper is nice, it's not so thin. It's thick. I mean, it's thicker than the previous posters they gave. Okay, so now it's time to open the photo book. Let's. Jangan full nanti rosak. Let's open the photo book. Let me fly to my room, get me out of my blues, and now I'm feeling brand new.
Every day, 답답해 미치겠어. Feel like it's day one. 누가 주식해 좀 들려줘. 오래돼 뺏겼어.
Oh, everything is in black and white.
거북이 속에 it's killing me slowly now. And it rain.
Oh, ada colour. J-Hope. It's gonna take a long time. I'll be back. I really like Jin punya room concept. It's a germ concept. Awak gila. Because there's like purplish, you know, lilac, white. It's macam just like my room. So hey. To all JK buyers out there. Not me. Jimmy Shi. I think he has the funniest room concept lah. His room concept looks like a plumbing, you know. Like so many flowers, what are you trying to say? Yeah, but he's the masculine object in the middle. Namjoon. In terms of colour, I think Namjoon's room concept is quite interesting. It looks very warm. I like his choice of colour. When kids holding the camera and I know they're not even doing anything. Yoongi. I think Yoongi has the most simple room concept compared to others. Like seriously, there's barely anything in his room. He's a very simple guy. Taeyong. That's my bias. And even though he's my bias, his room concept is my least favorite. Oh, finally a group photo. Eating pizza. Ada lagi. There's like a second book or something. Oh. Okay. Oh. It's not. I mean, it's like you can take it out. You know. Oh my god, mine dah tercabut dah pun. Oh. Cantik. Oh. Aku dah tercabut dah. Patutlah sampai tebal gini. Another making book. Oh, it's like there's even notes. Cantik. God, pretty ya. So that's it for my unboxing video. The sun is already set by the way, so that explains why my video is getting darker. I'm so happy, serious happy sangat. Lama gila tunggu.